Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use PhantomBuster in N8N. First, open N8N and log into your account. From the dashboard, click on Create Workflow in the top right corner to start a new automation. Then click on the plus button to add the first node in your workflow. In the search bar, type PhantomBuster and select it from the list when it appears. Once added, click on Get an Agent, which will allow you to run tasks using PhantomBuster. To connect your account, select Credentials and then click on Create New Credential. Before adding credentials, you'll need to set up a PhantomBuster account. To do this, open a new tab and search for PhantomBuster on Google. Click on the official link to reach their website. On the homepage, sign up using your email address. PhantomBuster will send you a verification email. Open your inbox, locate the email, and click on the Verify Email button. This will take you to your PhantomBuster dashboard for the first time. Once inside, click on your profile name in the top right corner of the screen, then select API Keys from the drop-down menu. Next, click on Add API Key to generate a new key. Copy this API key and return to N8N in the credentials setup, paste the key into the API key field and save it. This completes the connection between N8N and your PhantomBuster account. Now, in the PhantomBuster node inside your workflow, choose the resource operation you want to run, such as launch an agent. You'll also need to enter the agent ID of the Phantom you want to use. Once this is set up, click on the Test button to confirm everything is working properly. That's how to use PhantomBuster in N8N. Now you can build automations that use PhantomBuster agents directly in your workflows.